Welcome to this presentation video of Divine, a MIDI plugin built with Max for Live. Divine is based on the same algorithm as White Keys, an intelligent system that lets you play freely without ever stepping out of key. If you haven't seen the White Keys video yet, I highly recommend watching it first. It will give you the foundation you need to fully understand how Divine works. Divine is a generator of random deviations, but these deviations are always musical, coherent, and perfectly aligned with the selected scale. It's the perfect tool to boost your creativity, enrich your melodies, or create evolving sequences with a touch of controlled randomness. In this demo, I used the Alicia Keys piano from Native Instruments along with a MIDI visualizer to make everything easier to follow. But keep in mind that Divine is a MIDI effect. You can use it with any virtual instrument, a synthesizer, a violin, a bass, a guitar, or any sound you like. Enough talking. Let's now see how Divine performs in a real situation. Divine is set to play in the key of B major. In the next example, I'll simply press 2 C keys on my keyboard. You'll see how the plugin handles the random deviations while staying perfectly within the selected scale. Now I'll show you a more concrete example with an actual keyboard performance. Randomness is perfect for finding melodic ideas you wouldn't have imagined, but the best thing to do is to record everything so you keep a trace of what was played and use it later in a production context. So I'm going to create a MIDI track that hosts Divine and route it to the track containing the Alicia Keys piano. This way I'll be able to record the performance and reuse it as it is, or tweak it if needed. As you can see, it's super easy to record everything generated by the Divine plugin. One thing I love doing with Divine is playing chords, then reusing them several times to generate new chords. Divine always brings good surprises. Now I'm going to duplicate that take and re-record it. You'll see just how magical it is. You got it, that with Divine, exploring becomes simple. Every note you play can surprise you, inspire you, and open up new creative paths. It's a tool designed to stimulate your imagination without ever leaving the scale. Divine is available right now on my website for a super affordable price. It's also included in 2 of my packs, which bundle several of my Max for Live tools for even more creative possibilities. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll reply as soon as I can.